Alright guys, got a neat little update to do today. Been fighting it the whole time, but finally got it over to my house, to my shade tree garage. And the reason we've been fighting it is because, well, first of all, the carburetor's acting up again. It ain't wanting to run off even the jug gas, and I put some gas in the gas tank. Was going to try running it off its own supply. Fuel pump ended up being no good. It's been setting for a little while now, as y'all know. So I finally got the new fuel pump about to come. Alright guys, got the fuel pump on. I had to cut it early yesterday because the rod was giving me problems. Got it on. Got it all primed up. Gas, but that's the cleanest it's getting right now until we run it some. It's running completely off its own power right now. No gas jug, no hoses. This is completely running off its own power right now, all by itself, for the first time in like 10 years. Had to take the front wheels back off because they kept going flat, so we can't drive around on those. But it is running by itself, which is awesome. So now we can fine tune the carburetor. Now that it ain't acting like the floats are sticking anymore, maybe we won't have to take it apart. I don't know yet. But it don't want to rev up too good, which could be, you know, definitely the bad gas. Old gas is left in there still. So we got to get all of that filtered out. I bought a few filters the other day. That's a big update right there, getting it ran by itself. That's awesome. Help us in the long run. Let's go back here and hear it one more. Alright guys, we just got back from the store. The water neck is pouring water, which we've already talked about in like the first video we ever made on this car. Finally getting around to getting gas to get the thermostat for it. So now we're going to take that, swap it out, and fill it up with water so we can let it sit here and run for a while. I ain't got to worry about overheating. Maybe adjust on the time and the carburetor a little bit better. That way you can actually give it gas without it trying to pop. I bet this is going to be rusty in here. This thing ain't been off in a long time. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. It don't look like it was even circulating water with how dusty the hose was. Let's make sure, let me see that. Make sure this is the right thermostat. The part number I had originally bought it under don't exist anymore. So the dude didn't, or not just the dude, but we didn't know this was gonna be the right one, which it is. Looks a lot better. A lot better. Look at all that build up on it. The water's been sitting there a long time. A real long time. So we need a fine screwdriver to clean off some of that old gasket material, just to help it seal better, don't you think? Mm-hmm. Alright guys, just drove it around the yard, went up there, put water in it because radiator was slap out. Realized the radiator actually has a small pinhole in the core. We're going to try taking it out, seeing if we can pinch the pin off, get it to stop leaking. It's not really a good way to do it, but that's the only way we can do it right now. Trying to adjust the carburetor to get it to not bog while it's under a load. That's why I got in here holding the brake while he's adjusting on it. Because right now when it's in the gear and you try giving the gas or anything, it wants to bog real bad. But as long as it's in park, it'll rev up just fine. We finally got the doors open and closing by themselves, so that's good. We still have no power besides to the temp gauge and to the oil pressure gauge. switch. Besides, the key switch will shut it off. That's about it. And if you can't tell, we washed the windows off. We can actually see out of them a little bit now. Alright, so we're going to put the thermostat on. Open this up. Make sure it's going to look like it's going to fit right. Yeah, she will seal. She ain't.
Mm-hmm. Ain't like it can be any worse than it was.
No. Definitely not. Hang on.
I'm gonna have to work that back down in there with a ratchet.
Yeah, probably.
Blow all that shit off the top of the thermostat. We'll stick it down there. Blow all that off the thermostat. The best chance it's got to seal.
I don't know if that one's starting or not.
We got a few more problems now. Going to find out about the radiator. We're definitely going to have to get another radiator and get that one fixed.
That's a brand new radiator too.
But at least we ain't leaking up here no more.
All the pressure went to the radiator.
It's good to find these spots before we get on the road with it.
Show how hard that fuel pump's pumping. It's like a baby sucking a titty.